Nisuweng pa Sakanti ko Don Bosco Media Network ko naram chaksoa anga Alicia A Sangma na simang na dali Koborrang ko para katenga. Katsabi chongrang Casino Ruram na riba gabarang ko salbagen Meghalaya Assam ng user kagapa ni video mo dugpa golpa ni nga Kudi Ramesh Dakar mamataya ha TMC Nyam Richu kagapa ni gaman sorkari kusngani ko takanga ANTF drugs badang gapa sa katam kurma Chugumukpa Koborrang Kajina Minister James Sangma aga nga Meghalaya biap kesa sungin gaparang ko ba tourism ko salbag pa biapok nge gapan adok rango ni raka susani nga yani gamantangka ba kajina mandap na menggapan chol na nga aruya casino ka bachingatachi mengsa chol nga ni Sri James Sangma aga nga ha ya khalani ko sorkari ni niya baksa bachingat na mungsunga aruun baksa ya game rangko wamang lekha document chugumuk ko check ka esa khalatken ene uyatanga Umroy MLA George Lingdoni judging is ngani kodako James Rakhalin aga nga ya casino ko khali sungri gaparang nasan khalatken aro local rangna ungja ani agan tapangaha.
Thank you, Mr. Deputy Speaker, sir. Sir, at the outside, I'd like to first thank the Honorable MLA from Umroy, Shri George P. Lingdo, for bringing this calling attention notice under Rule 54(1) regarding a newspaper item which appeared in the newspaper Uno Sign Hima dated 25th of August 2022. So this calling attention is giving me an opportunity to bring in front of this August House an opportunity to deliberate upon the nuances of the Meghalaya Regulation of Gaming Act and rules. So the government of Meghalaya, let me place on record, sir, being fully conscious of its responsibility and commitment to the all-round growth and development of the state and its people, is focusing on promoting niche tourism in the state. This would help in creating jobs for the local people. It would help in bringing economic prosperity to our people and to raise the GDP of our state and enhance revenue generation to fund development activities in sectors like health, education, roads and bridges, transport, sports and youth, etc., etc., sir.
Skutung Minister Shri Cornet K. Sangma, Trinamool Congress ni MLA George Lingdo ko tulgaba arong gija dilgaba ani aga nga. Wamang ko border ni gaman gulpuan ni kodako skang gapa face ni pata nukba baksa gulpuja ani matanga ni gamano. Skutung Minister Shri Cornet K. Sangma, wamang ningtak pagija biap ki anti-chi riange niya ani agan tapangha. Aru wamang ginig pa face ni gaman ngani kodakna ko ba wamang pata nukba kugrunge gulpuya ani aga nga.
Sir, it's sad that the Honourable Member is misleading the House completely. And I can completely say that it's a lie, what he's saying, sir. In fact, the process of the first phase saw multiple stakeholder meetings. For the first time, the ministers and the concerned officials went to ground zero, had multiple public hearings which are on record, not only with just Meghalaya, but even Assam was with us. So, sir, I would ask the Honourable Member to refrain from making such statements which are completely misleading. You're in the House. This is not a press conference that is going on. So be clear about your facts. This is not the way a responsible member should act, sir. In regards to the different members and the stakeholders we've talked to, every single stakeholder has been involved in this process, sir. I cannot say that every individual in the state has been involved, but the concern of the members was saying about the HEMAs. So the HEMAs, the discussion took place in all the relevant areas where it was. District Council, MDCs, all of them were there when these discussions were taking place.
Ramesh Dakar jian joy jeloni khatkapa saksa nga aru wa mandi jilma chadarpe tukpao ni ba joke khatachim uko mijal chigini bajirang maha ane khobor ko manswaha Ramesh mi mintu West Giant Hill songni nga aro uko khat pra mayor songni mandirang me police rang ni jakon na ha AITC ni MLA Zenit Sangma nyam ni khosa ko ado ko chu phalani ko assembly nigni pa session ona rabaha Zenit Sangma ado ko chu ko nyam ni khosa ko phalkapa komiani phal batasa batenga anewa agananga turau chungpa gui phan phalgba mangmangoba chumanaya Shillong oban daki phalgba bangbia anewa agan dapangkhwa Anti-Narcotics Task Force rangni konta chibonga na amsandiani ko dakka chusokpo ngaha aru wamang drugs badang parang ko selsela agap kengri jolni khomanaha rama mangpo ni matkrik ch marak jakstram ch marak aru bringstar ch marak nga police rang wamang kor ramani jamano chikung pon gni gram heroin susku gni point bonga grey color ni masi gija powder aru thanga hajal sotponga snir chabonga khomanaha Maruti 100 gari number ML chikung bonga sni ko NTF rang manaha aro mobile ge tham ko ba manaha aro gapen nam gija ga pabusurang ko ba manaha wamani kosa ko case ko sekata aram sangyani ko dakang khuenga ane pharakatanga ha yandalna Koborrang nga nisweng pa sakanti kon mathela